Hi there, this is Mike Kaufman. In this video, we're going to take a look at the basics of Google Sheets, a little bit about what it is, and some of the basic features and components of Google Sheets. So Google Sheets is just like Microsoft Excel or Apple Numbers, and it's a program that is set up to help you organize and manipulate data, right? So this could be lists, it could be numbers, could be a variety or combination of the two, and it allows you to do some pretty cool things. Now the basic layout of Sheets is it's divided into rows and columns, right? Your columns are running across the top and are divided by letters, and your rows are going right from top to bottom and they are organized by numbers. Now in Google Sheets, just like the other Google Apps suite, you have some basic formatting things, right, such as just typing in text, type in numbers, and just like it, you can then copy, paste, you can bold, underline, as well as change the size of the font, the style of the font, and so forth. So a lot of that is very much the same, but Google Sheets does a whole lot more. Like one, it gives you the option to have multiple tabs. Right, by hitting that plus button, I can add a second tab, right? Sheet 2 and Sheet 1, and of course I can rename those sheets to make them clear, right? Practice 1, and so forth. You can also manipulate where those sheets go by simply dragging it over. Now, why do we use Sheets? Again, it allows us to organize and to manipulate data. You can do things like alphabetize or order your sheets, right? Sort them alphabetically. You can set up filters where you look for certain things and have the sheets organize themselves based on certain numbers. You can go into different functions such as finding the sum, average, count, maximum, minimum, as well as many other functions like dividing and multiplying. So sheets can be set up to crunch or to do numbers for you, and so forth. And like all the other Google products, what we love about it is it is shared with other people, so you can work simultaneously with a group of people across the world. Now, one other cool thing that we're going to use Sheets for is to create charts and graphs, right? So by setting up sheets into numbers with columns and rows, you can then have Google Sheets create graphs for you, line graphs, bar graphs, and so forth. So that is it. That is a quick introduction and overview of what Google Sheets are, as well as some of its basic components. Follow up on the next video to see how you can actually get to use Google Sheets to do some of these cool things that we talked about.